This 2026 Tiffin Phaeton 440 is a Class A RV. It is located in Georgetown, Kentucky, 40324 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Lexington. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Tiffin is 45 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 7, Slideout, and 100 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, bunk over cab, outdoor entertainment, rear bath. This 2026 Tiffin Phaeton 440 is built on a Freightliner PowerGlide XC raised rail rear chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.